acknowledging your weakness does not equate to you making it as your identity, as you defining who you are. Rather, it is a defining moment of what you should become. Because a right person will say, isod ko endurance. Here's what I'm gonna do. A losing person will say, isod ko endurance. Feeling ako, hindi na ako kayang Ironman. See? Two different conclusions. So you see, careful with how you always talk to yourself. Kita mga laki, banga, ba kita na? So example, weakness nimo ang istorya og tao. Mo maning kasagaran mga insurance agents or anyone in sales actually will say, mauwaw manggug og storya ng tao. So then, ang iyang conclusion will say, this is not who actually led there. You know, it's may nag-control sa iyong emotions in order to get there and say, hindi ka rastos. But a winning mindset would say, I don't know how to do this, but I'll figure it out. Look at the next. Pareho ni acknowledge di ka mao, but the conclusion is different. A very defining moment, ang weakness. There's really no true weakness. You know, who the real weakness is, it's you. Mo yung kontra, imong kaugalingon.